Hi all, here's a small video on the iHelicopter. It works with the iPod, iPhone, iPad or the Android application phones. I have personally tried this heli with an iPad. Uh, let's see what all is included in this. So let's take out the helicopter. This is a helicopter, pretty strong built with alloy body, with flexi blades which don't break. Pretty strong. I've tried it, so I know. Let's see what all is included in the box. So let's open this up. Okay, it comes with a charger, transmitter, some spare blades. Okay, or an owner's manual. Okay, so let's see. Here are some spare blades, a tail blade, screwdriver. It has a USB charger to charge the iPad or iPhone dongle. It has a charging port. It has indicators to show it's charging, and this is the helicopter charging unit. And we have a small owner's manual which talks about the software which you need to download, and everything about the heli. The remote has a center button, a trim knob, channel selector. It's a pure 3.5 channel with gyro. So overall, I would this is an excellent product. Works with the iPhone, iTab and the Android platform. Thanks for watching. Alright, continuing. I have added the console with the iPad, and I'm gonna turn it on. Here we go. As soon as I turn it on, the light comes on and I can see the IR blinking here. It is not available. You can't see these lights in real time. It is only available when you can see it when you're making a video. So now let's try to power it and see. See, there it works. Okay. It also has the option to put it on the touch mode, where you can just move the iPad to control the heli instead of the throttle, instead of the aileron or elevator stick. Now you can do it through this. Okay, turn it off, and now no effect. Excellent. Thanks for watching.